we're going to have a little fun today. Not too long ago, I shared a statistic where if you randomly spend $14 a day, it's up to over $5,000 in a year that bam, there's money if you lost. So I was at Costco and I got they're fish that go, they're a little toy for a cat. So I wish it could have been inside my head and camera and film real time. But what I want to share with you is kind of the conversation that I had with myself. And if you become aware of this, then that can support you in stopping your shopping. So I first was like, oh, wow, Costco, it's about time. You don't give the cats enough stuff. Then I was like, oh, the cats need a toy. Now they had just gotten a little couch for Christmas, right? I'm like, I don't have enough stuff for the cats. It's only $8.99, and you know what, if I were to buy one it would be $18 on Amazon or something. And so that was kind of the chatter that was going on in my head, and it kept going like, oh my gosh, I've got to get this is a great buy, and I could hold on to it for an Easter gift, right? Just continually on and on, right? It's very easy to justify that random spending, and not only random spending, the new blouse or the new necklace or whatever. And so that was kind of the little chatter that I had going on in my head. So I want you to become aware. What is it that you're saying when it's easy to justify that money? Maybe you don't have, maybe it's random money, maybe it's over budget. So just become aware of what you're saying to yourself, and then you can come up with a way to just stop in your tracks. So I should have at Costco been like, woo, take a deep breath. Let's get centered. Let's get focused. Let's ask ourselves the tough question. Is it within budget? Do the cats really need another toy? Honest conversation here. And just remember things like that, questions that you can ask yourself. And then that way you can stop the random spending or keep within budget or whatever your goal is. You can do this. When you clear your clutter, you can create the life and space you choose, deserve, and desire.